What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I'm done for the day, only had an hour trade. I doubled up on some, or quadrupled up twice, I guess you could say, on some of this. So I did trade 8 contracts, 2 separate times. My first one came in as 3 contracts. See, what happened was my computer resets itself or refreshes or updates, I don't know, at least once a month. And then that means it updates and refreshes my NinjaTrader. So I have to go back through and turn off all the sounds and all that kind of stuff. So you can hear it when it says order filled. I'm like, oh, I can't stand that stuff. That stuff puts me on edge. I want to be like, I don't need that. I don't need that kind of junk in my life. So I go through and turn off everything except connected and disconnected. That way I know if the market's really not moving or if I got disconnected or not. That's going to be a personal preference, but really highly suggest just getting rid of all those sounds. But anyways, because of that, it started off my first one with 3 contracts. I did add a 4th one. That one turned out all right. My next one was a loss with 8 contracts, but I managed them pretty well. So I didn't take the full 8 contract loss, okay? And then the next one was quite the winner, which was 8 contracts as well. So I'm really looking forward to y'all looking through those. Guys, we do have the scholarship coming up. We are going to have a questionnaire for the scholarship to see where you're at. Don't worry if you've never traded before. It doesn't mean that you are disqualified. We definitely love working with people who are brand new, but we also like working with people who have been at this for a while and really just are trying to find their way and figure out a great mindset to work with and to stay consistently profitable. And it's not always easy. A lot of that comes with what's going on up here, trusting your system, and knowing when you need to step back. Okay, knowing when it's time to take a break, take care of other things, think about other things, take care of your health, get up, take a walk, whatever needs to be done. We are going to have opportunities for 2 scholarship students to join with our normal group of 12. And also, guys, part of that is we do put you through a month of You Profit Trader at the end of your education. So once you're simulating and we've done some one-on-ones and you're feeling really good about what you're doing, then we move you over to You Profit Trader and we pay for your first month subscription there. Hopefully that first month is all you need and boom, you're off to the races. So now if you are looking to join You Profit Trader right now, we do have a 30% discount. You can check that out down below. You'll be able to get 30% off of your subscription to You Profit Trader. Don't forget also, guys, Responsible Day Trading Tax Pros. There is a 20-minute free consultation. You can check out the website right down here. There's a 20-minute free consultation. It is also part of our students' journey because we're going to help you learn should you be setting up your trading as a business, and if you're going to trade for, a long period of time, and if you're using it as part of your income, yes, you should be trading as a business. You will collect a lot more benefits trading as a business than you will as an individual investor. Like, you could even write off your education. You could write off your subscription and You Profit Trader. You could write off your electric bill. Not all of it, obviously, but the fact that you're working from home and this is your business, yes, that's part of it. So talk to my friend Jay with us here at Responsible Day Trading Tax Pros. He's got 20 minutes free. You can set up some time and you're going to put yourself on the right direction. So, all right, guys, that's it. I had an hour's worth of trading today. Boom, boom. I've been here for an hour and 16 minutes. And I'm ready to roll. So I got lots of other things I can take care of today. I'll get this video out for y'all. And guys, like and subscribe, please, because I would love to have you here with me whenever my new videos come out, and love your feedback, love hearing from you. I'm not gonna lie, it boosts my confidence and it reminds me that I'm doing the right thing and I'm on the right path. So, all right, guys, as always, I hope that you enjoy the show. Hello, responsible day traders. I thought maybe I'd check out the market for a little bit today. It's 9:45. The market's been open for an hour and 15 minutes. And I've been trying to find where a weird sound is coming from in my house, but every time I move towards it, it stops. So I came here instead. Let's go ahead and look at those bigger tick charts. So like we talked about on Monday, this not holding up. And when I say this, I mean this area to push it up, it's come back down. It's pretty much equal to that previous pivot, but the MACDs are leading lower. So I'm going to expect this to go down lower at this point. Now, is it right here right now? Nope. Let's see. Oh, man, I think this might pull up a little bit more, but let's check out the news really quick. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so we just had some news come out. We have Powell speaking in an hour.
Order filled.
Forgot about that. And I'm doing 3 contracts. I meant to do 4. It just saved me where I was at last. We're gonna add 1 more in there. I'm going to pull the one down here. So we see these pulling back. Yeah, okay. Well, took the one out, which is fine. All right, so we didn't push through there just yet. Doesn't mean that we won't. Okay, we're gonna take that one as a sign. I'll get ready to add 4 more when it shows it to me. Like right there. Okay, so 5 ticks in risk there, 6 ticks on the next one. And just a breakdown is what we're expecting. Not in my mental behavior. Just a breakdown in the MACDs and the price. Or it could just come back and take it all. There's one. There's 2. But I'm not giving up here. I'm gonna go for it again. 1. I did it again. watch this roll over. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, we got 2 left. Looks like we're coming back for it though. I'm gonna go ahead and hit close. And that will wrap up my day. An hour. Let's go ahead and check it out. Perfect. Let me go ahead and put that back to points. So I had started the day 10 points up. I went down to minus 150, ended the day 47.25. This might just keep pushing down, but I can't let myself think much about that. So let's go ahead and mark these up. Plus 47.25 points. And if we want to look at that, at what that 0.725 points comes out to be, we can look at that in currency. So you can see that is 2,362, and that is in 1 hour. Boom, done. I'll put that back here too, just so people can get an idea of what that is. $2,362.50. So that's what that comes out in 1 hour. Okay, so 6 trades, 2 losses, 4 wins, and look, this didn't even continue following through, so would have definitely been out probably about the same spot. But that's 6 trades, 2 losses, 4 wins, 42.75 points. That is $2,362.50, not including commissions, in 1 hour of trading. So that's good. I'm done. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. An hour's worth of trading, 47.25 points. No complaints. So, I do hope that these videos help you. And if they do, please like and subscribe. So, I did take a loss and I managed that loss pretty well. I felt it coming down and I was like, man, I was a little too early on that one, which is okay. It's all learning. It's all experience. Every time we do something like this, and seeing that, that I had the confidence to take the trade again after that, I'm down with it. Now, I probably could have gotten out of this trade a little bit sooner without letting it come all the way back to hit my stop, or I did hit close a few ticks before it hit the stop, but I probably could have gotten out that one a little bit faster. Down here, it definitely gave me some signals with the MACDs and the price that it was going to snap back, but it is what it is. No complaints. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap that up. I hope that everybody has a wonderful week. I really wasn't supposed to be trading today. I had some other things on my agenda, but I'm trying to give you guys at least one day of me trading a week. So today was that day. Have a fabulous day, everyone. And as always, that I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.